beautiful Halverston and, well, area. An oasis of quiet amidst the... I said, it's an oasis of quiet. Hello, an oasis of... Is anyone listening? It sounds like someone's wrestling bagpipes or something. Wait, could it be that Milo Powell is locked in mortal combat with a demented supervillain? No, it's even worse. He's grappling with his cat, Dishrag.
Dishrag, you have to go to the vet. This is harder than getting a diaper on Thor. Come on, Dishrag. Don't you want to get your checkup so you can be a big, strong super cat?
Apparently not.
Yeah. Come on, we gotta catch her.
It's quiet.
Too quiet. Where could she be? Dishrag! I'll chase her. You get the carrier ready. Got you now. Come here, Dishrag. Okay, this time for sure.
Watch out, Milo! Hose.
Just get me out of here.
Uh-oh! Flamingo!
Captain, it's a kid!
In trouble. Let's go.
But Captain, what about the vet?
The vet can wait, but it doesn't sound like poor Abby can. Oh! Huh, but outside, wasn't it just... Wow, crazy weather we're having.
I don't think this is snow, Captain.
Okay, Abby, let's hear it.
I was standing on the chair, not doing anything, except just reaching for a cookie. When I kinda, not on purpose, totally accidentally, missed. So the sugar knocked over the flour, which knocked over the salt, which knocked over the oatmeal, which knocked over the baking soda, and then the whole fan thing. Mom says I shouldn't stand on chairs. You know why?
No time! We've got to rescue you from the storm. Now, obviously, what we'll need is a rescue sled and a sled dog, or the next best thing, a super sled cat and an inflatable rubber ducky life preserver. Now, how can I... Hey. Mush, Dishrag! Mush!
Or not.
Mosh, come on! Don't you want to save the day?
I think that'd be a no. Any ideas?
Just one old standby. Avi, reach in the fridge and pull out the tuna.
It's working! Why do I ever doubt you?
That's it! Mush, you husky! Mush!
Kinda slow, isn't she?
Hey, what do you want? I'm working with a cat and a rubber duck here.
Whenever my mom makes tuna sandwiches, she always puts pickles in them.
Abby, no! The vinegar from the pickles will react with the baking soda.
Huh?
Would this be curtains for Captain Flamingo? Has our hero been conquered by mere baking soda and pickle juice?
Swim, everybody! If we're lucky, we can make it to that island! survive here for weeks while we figure out a way to escape.
I always hoped if I got stranded on a desert island, it'd be with you.
That would be the worst case, though, Lisbeth.
Right.
Best case is we get Abby out of this mess.
And fast, because my mom's in the backyard. She could be back any second.
There's no reason to panic, Abby. My bird brain will think of something. That's it! The fan! Here you go, fan hats!
Lucky you have 3 hats, Captain.
I always have extras. No fan hat emergency is ever small, Lisbeth. Ready? Activate your hats!
Hey, it's working! Abby, no! You've got to face forward!
Wait! This calls for heavy machinery. The Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000! This should get rid of ooze.
Captain?
Operating this baby requires complete concentration. Hey, get away! Dish rag!
At this rate, the Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000 won't finish cleaning this room till next March. And Abby's mom is coming up the walk right now!
Good point. Time for overdrive. Okay, maybe not. Any other ideas?
Look! A vacuum! That'll solve all our problems.
Of course. The noise will scare Dish Rag away so the Super Bulldoze-O-Matic 6000 can keep scooping.
No, I meant you could vacuum up.
See? Now the Dish Rag's out of the way, I can get back to... Uh-oh. Look out! Dish Rag! The syrup!
Wait a minute. I'm beginning to see the brilliance of your plan.
You are? I mean, of course you are. Hi! Bye!
I'm back from next door, Abby. Anything happen while I was gone? The kitchen! It's even cleaner than when I left. It's as if someone washed the walls and ceiling with vinegar and baking soda.
Well, actually...
I'm going to have to give one very special little boy a very special little reward. Here's a cookie.
No! Thanks, Captain Flamingo. Captain?
Dish Rag, come back! Oh my! Thanks, Captain Flamingo! No charge! Dish Rag!
Hey, that cat! Paul just stole my newspaper!
Sorry, mister. Dish Rag, come on! Oh, I've still got to get her cleaned up into the vet.
I think she's gonna get there herself. Look!
It worked! I actually got Dish Rag to the vet! Good kitty!
Well, hello, Milo. Is Dish Rag ready for her shots?
Shots.
Shots.
Dish Rag!
Yes, this may look like a quiet suburban neighborhood,
Dish Rag!
but there's always another adventure around the corner for Captain Flamingo!
Dish Rag!
Captain Flamingo! Looking out for kids in a big way.
Dish Rag!
Captain Flamingo supports wildlife everywhere.